Charles Schwab vs. M1 Finance, which trading platform is better? In 2025, Charles Schwab and M1 Finance stand out as two very different approaches to investing. Charles Schwab offers a traditional, full-service brokerage experience with commission-free stock and ETF trades, robust research tools, and access to a wide variety of investment products. It's perfect for investors who want flexibility, strong customer service, and educational resources to guide their decisions. M1 Finance, on the other hand, takes a more modern and automated approach. Its signature, PI, investing system lets you create a custom portfolio or choose from expert-built ones, then automates buying, rebalancing, and reinvesting dividends. It's ideal for long-term, hands-off investors who want to focus on strategy rather than daily trading. If you prefer a hands-on approach with deep market research and trading flexibility, Charles Schwab might be the better choice. But if you want automation, simplicity, and a set-it-and-forget-it investing style, M1 Finance could be the winner. The right pick depends entirely on how you like to manage your portfolio. Subscribe to see more videos like this.